All right, hi guys. So today we are going to start learning about the unit circle. The unit circle is one of the most important things we'll learn all year, okay? So we're on 11.4. So few things I just want to remind you of before we start in on this really big lesson. Okay, a central angle is an angle. A central angle of a circle is an angle with a vertex at the center of the circle. So like you can see that over here on the right. And then its angle lines, its rays, okay, or line segments here, come out and enter and hit the circle there. So that angle right there is our central angle. Its vertex is at the very center of the circle. That would be angle AOC. Okay, the intercepted arc. So intercepted, like in football, you make a catch, right? It's when things connect. So the intercepted arc is going to be this right here. It's the portion of the circle with the endpoints of the central angle, and the remaining, and then the part of the arc in between those endpoints. We would say that that is arc AC. All right. Now, it's been a little while since we've done the geometry. You probably learned it last year, but the angle measure of that central angle is always going to be equal to the angle measure of that intercepted arc. So if this was 30 degrees, then this would also be 30 degrees. Okay, the measure of that arc. Now we're actually going to skip a little bit. This stuff about radians we'll do next time in our next lesson. Let's come down here until example 3, constructing the unit circle. This is what we're going to focus on today. Now, two things I want to remind you of before we jump right in to this is besides the central angle and intercepted arc, we also want to talk about something you guys learned on 11.1, your special right triangles. We have special right triangles. All right. We have the 45, 45, 90. So that would be a 45 here, 45 degrees here. And this would be x, x, and x root 2. And then I have the 30, 60, 90. So this is x. This is x root 3, 2x. And then I'm just going to draw that one again. Just a different orientation. Okay. And we're going to use those in our construction of the unit circle as well. Yep. And that's all for now. Thanks.